So we're gonna cook today. By the way guys, it is super late here. It is 12:09 in the evening. So I decided to cook my eggplant because it's gonna be going bad soon. So I have to cook it. Otherwise I'm gonna be all mad. My eggplant is bad already. It's almost getting bad. When I check it and I'm about to wash it, it's almost getting bad. So we have to cook it now so that I don't waste my eggplant, because I'm gonna get mad if I waste it. So that's why we're in the kitchen and we're gonna cook tonight. Okay, the pan is ready. I just like make it to heat, because what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to fry first the eggplant, and after that I'm going to start cooking with garlic and onion and back to eggplant. But I'm gonna show you guys later how to cook it one at a time. So I have here onion and garlic ready, and the pan as well, frying pan, and also the eggplant. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry first the eggplant. Okay, the pan is hot, really hot already, and we're gonna go start putting the oil in the pan. If the oil is hot already, we're gonna put the eggplant. We're gonna fry the eggplant. Woo, I'm excited. And we're gonna start putting the eggplant there. On it there. There. By the way guys, I forgot to tell you, this is what we're gonna use for the eggplant, but alamang. They call it salted shrimp fry. It's a fish, bagoong. So this is what we're gonna use for eggplant. Okay, we're done frying the eggplant. So this is what's look like the eggplant, guys. And now, since we already cooked the eggplant in the pan, so the pan is hot, so we're gonna start cooking the garlic and the onion. Garlic first. I'm cooking the garlic till it turns brown. And it's time to add the onions. Mixing till the onion turns brown too. And then we're gonna add the salted shrimp fry. We called it in the Philippines bagoong. And then, there we go. Let's add some seasoning to make our food more delicious. And now, it's time to add the fried eggplant. Now we're gonna mix it again. Mix. I smell it already. It smells good, and actually it's delicious with rice. So I'm really excited to eat it with rice. Now let's add some salt and pepper. Mix it again, and we're almost done cooking. It smells really good and make me hungry right now. Okay guys, sa wakas tapos na yung natin, talong na may bagoong. So ilalagay ko na lang siya sa container. Antayin ko lang siyang tawag dito? Lumamig ng konti, saka ko siya ilalagay sa container, tapos ilalagay natin sa ref para bukas may ulam ako sa kanin. Ito na yung itsura guys. Tikman natin siya. Sana hindi maalat kasi di ba minsan yung bagoong pag maalat yung bagoong. Pero ito naman hindi naman siya maalat eh. Kasi nagluto na ako nito. Pangalawang luto ko na nito. Nabubulol na naman. Ang nakalimutan ko lang na hindi ko nalagay kamatis kasi wala pala akong kamatis na kalimutan ko. Pagtingin ko wala pala akong kamatis na nabili. Kaya yun. Yung lasa ng bagoong, lasang-lasa. Yung bagoong tsaka yung combination ng talong na tinorta. Perfect to bukas sa kanin. Yun, masarap siya. Hindi naman siya maalat. Masarap. Masarap talaga ng bagoong kahit halo mo sa kung anong gulay. Masarap talaga siya. So, yun. At least, mga 2 araw ko na itong uulamin. Or 3. Kasi si Dan hindi naman kumakain ng talong. Ayaw niya ng talong. Wala daw flavor. So, may ulam ako bukas and Martes. Siguro hanggang Miyerkules pa tong ulam. So, magsasaing na lang ako ng kanin. Para dito sa yun, ilalagay ko na lang sa ref. Init-init na lang tayo. So, alauna na ng umaga dito. So, ayun. Hanggang dito na lang ating vlog. Kakaiba naman, para maiba naman. Nandito tayo sa kitchen. So, magpapaalam na ako. Bye everyone!